Grammar mistakes. For some of us, grammar mistakes are really a nightmare. Many of our English 360 learners have come back to me and said, we are not able to talk because we are scared that we'll make grammar mistakes. We are not able to talk because we don't know how to frame the sentence properly. See, one solution for all this, when you start speaking English, one solution is start using phrases and idioms, because phrases are a group of words which already make sense and you just have to complete your sentences. So that means half of your sentence is done if you memorize some phrases to begin with. If you memorize some phrases, if you have some phrases ready-made in hand, so that means you get the confidence of speaking without errors, and the remaining sentence you can add based on the situation where you are. So today at English 360, we are going to start a series where we tell you different phrases which can be used in different situations. And not just phrases, we are also introducing you to a couple of idioms. Idioms are some phrases which don't mean what they sound but have a completely different meaning and can sound professional at times when you use in the right place. So this whole series at English 360 is dedicated to phrases and idioms. So get ready, grab your paper and pen and sit down and note down these phrases. Use them as such. These are your golden opportunities where you can use these phrases as such, replicate them as such, and use it in the appropriate situation, and your English can definitely improve. So stay tuned, but before that, do not forget to follow us, subscribe us, and look into this playlist of phrases and idioms.